Hey everybody, welcome to part 11 of building the HK 148 scale B-17 series. In part 11, we're going to concentrate our efforts on doing some mild surface weathering. So with that said, let's get started. So I'm going to use this Tester's enamel. This is flat aluminum, and I'm going to use this for some sponging around, just a little bit around the lips of the cowlings, and then give it a coat of clear flat to tone it down a little bit. Go ahead and clean that top, set it aside, and I've got two different size sponges here, and we'll see how they come out. I may have to shake this up some more. There we go. I just want a little bit. You don't want to overdo it. Okay, that's one. Let me go ahead and shake this up some more. There we go. Now we got it. Clean the top. I always clean the tops. And we'll use this other one here. Get a slightly different pattern. Take off almost all the paint. There we go. Just a little bit. That's all it takes. Put a little too much there. Just want just a little bit. There we go. Not bad. We'll go ahead and do this one. Last one here. There we go. Not bad. I'll put a little bit, just a tiny bit, around the outside of the cowlings for a little bit of effect. It doesn't take much. And I'm going to put some more paint on here. Let me go ahead and clean this off. This can get quite messy. So you want to be careful, and as I said, less is always better. Always. There we go. That's all you need. And we'll do this to also to hide some of those flaws on the fuselage. So we will clean this top. And go ahead and clean that a little bit, set this aside, let this paint dry. Put the top back on. And these are done. No, not bad. Much easier than that chipping method, which you really can't do with enamel-based paints. And I prefer enamels because you can mask enamels. You can't mask. Kind of overdid it here, but that's okay. Now I gotta just give it a coat of clear flat and tone it down. The model has been completely coated with clear flat, and it toned down the silver sponging, and I also took off all of the masking on the clear parts, and came out pretty good. It's not perfect, but it's not bad. So let me show you the areas where I had to use sponging for the flaws right there. And I overdid it a little bit on the underside here for the flaws over here. But that's about all I can do. Did it a little too much here. But other than that, I did a little bit of dark gray pastel for the exhausts, and that's about it. A little bit up here, a little bit here, and that's about it. So now we're ready for final assembly. So I think I'll start with putting the turbochargers on, and we'll go from there. So we'll see how it looks when as I progress. There's a big model. I don't want to break off those 50 cals up front. So yep. And one other note, the turret insert that goes in here was really tight and was almost impossible to get it down. So how I fixed that was I sanded the ring that's around the turret, and just enough with a fairly rough 320 grit sanding stick, and I removed just enough, so now it just pops right down. So that's how you fix that problem. But yeah, we're looking pretty good, and move on to the next step. We'll do the wing lights, the wing landing lights, the navigation lights, and then probably the engines and the cowlings, and then the landing gear. We're making progress. We're almost done. Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed part 11 of building the HK 140H scale B-17. And in part 12, we're going to do the final assembly. So with that said, have a great evening. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and happy scale modeling.